Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cutting-edge drones and camera gear, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Today, we're unboxing the DJI Air 3S, a drone that packs cinema-grade video into a foldable design. With a 1-inch sensor, advanced obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, it promises epic aerial shots. Stick around to see if this powerhouse lives up to its name. Now, let's take an in-depth look at each feature. Here we go. Number 1. Unboxing experience. When you first open the box, you see a sleek white case that feels sturdy in your hands. Inside, the drone sits snugly, with propellers and batteries neatly arranged. You also find the compact remote, charging cables, spare propellers, and a quick start guide. Right away, you appreciate DJI's attention to detail. The neat layout makes setup simple and fun. You can tell from this first moment that DJI cares about giving you a premium experience, even before you power it on. Number 2. Design and build quality. The Air 3S looks modern and clean, with smooth curves and a strong shell. Its arms fold in just like a pocket knife, making it easy to carry. Weighing under 600 grams, it stays below many drone weight limits worldwide. The motors feel solid when you flex the arms, and the propellers click in with a reassuring snap. Overall, the build feels durable enough for casual use and tough enough for serious hobbyists. You can tell DJI put thought into making a drone that is both light and reliable. Number 3. Camera performance. At the heart of the Air 3S is a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 20 megapixel stills and 5.4K video at 30 frames per second. Footage looks sharp and vibrant, with clear detail even in low light. The adjustable aperture gives you full creative control, whether you want a soft background blur or crisp wide-angle shots. The built-in gimbal keeps your video rock-steady so you won't see shaky clips. In short, this drone brings near-professional camera power to a small, easy-to-fly package. Number 4. Flight features. DJI's ActiveTrack lets you lock onto subjects and keep them centered as you fly. The new Spotlight Pro mode blends GPS and computer vision, so the drone follows you smoothly, even through obstacles. And when you need help, the Air 3S's obstacle sensors look in all directions, pausing or rerouting to avoid crashes. These smart features mean you can focus on framing your shots without worrying about flying perfectly. It's like having a co-pilot that cares about your safety. Number 5. Battery life and charging. Each battery gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time in ideal conditions. That means plenty of time to scout, frame, and capture your shots. When it's time to recharge, the driver-style charger refills batteries in under 90 minutes. You can also top up on the go with a USB-C power bank. With 2 or 3 batteries, you could spend a full day filming without running out of power. For creators and travelers, this kind of freedom makes all the difference. Number 6. Intelligent modes and software. The DJI Fly app is where the magic happens. You get quick access to D-Log M color for professional grading, HDR panorama, and quick-shot modes like Droney or Rocket. Editing templates make it easy to produce share-ready clips right from your phone. The app's layout is clean, with helpful tutorials and safety reminders built in. Even beginners can learn fast, while pros appreciate the depth of manual controls. It's a great balance of power and simplicity. Number 7. Portability and price. The folded drone fits into most backpacks or camera bags. Its case is compact, and the remote controller folds flat beside it. If you travel by air or hike into the wilderness, you'll love how little space it takes. At around $800, the Air 3S sits in the mid-range price tier. You're paying for a top-tier camera sensor, advanced sensors, and a reliable flight system. Compared to heavier, pricier models, it offers massive value for ambitious hobbyists and small pros alike. So, is the DJI Air 3S the ultimate drone? It comes very close, with cinema-grade video, smart flight modes, long battery life, and a lightweight foldable design. It checks almost every box. It isn't the cheapest, and experts may miss ultra-long zoom or swappable lenses, but for most creators, it is nearly perfect. If you want top-quality aerial footage without the bulk or fuss, this drone makes that dream real. Thank you for watching, hit the like button, And don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Share your thoughts on the DJI Air 3S and stay ahead with the pulse of tech.